Now in this training, I'm going to teach you how you're going to be promoting offers from Maxbounty using our software and our tracking tool. Now this is going to be really easy for you to use our software. It's going to make things a lot easier for just to test out campaigns and see what works and what doesn't. So let's get started. I found this offer that I want to promote, and this is the Shopper Survey US. I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down and see what kind of traffic sources I'm allowed. I can see that I'm allowed to use Bing, Google, and Yahoo. That's important. And plus, I can check out what this offer is. And I'm just going to go ahead and get my link. So I'm going to choose raw link, search, and copy. I'm going to use this and then go back into my software, create a new link where I'm going to call this the Shopper Survey Case Study. Case. I'm just going to put case. Shopper Survey US. Maxbounty, then copy and paste the URL that we're given from Maxbounty and add it. Now if I scroll down, I can see that I've actually created it right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I can see everything's set up properly. I'm going to take this postback URL, go back into Maxbounty, scroll down, and enter the actual URL, postback URL in here. Click on save. Now this is to communicate with our software, so whenever we make conversions, we know what we made and etc. And it's going to be showing it over here in your back office. Okay, so in this part right here, if you go inside, you're going to get all these details that you're going to be getting. Okay, and from where and all that great info. All right, so back into our actual campaign. We now got our links. We've now created our tracking links, and now we're ready to create our first ad on Bing. Now we're not going to be using, we're going to go to Bing competition, and we're going to go ahead and choose, like for example, maybe let me create a new one and let me put a shopper survey, see what kind of ads might pop up with this one. And then I'll choose the country and click on explore. So right now I found some kind of ads that I might use. This one is something that I can use. So what I'm going to do is the first thing that I have to do before I'm using my software to push ads, I need to create one ad. Okay, remember this is important. So create your first ad by creating campaign, visits to my website, choosing the budget that you want, choosing the country that you can actually promote, because not all offers will allow you to promote in Canada or anything else or other countries. So for this specific one, it's United States. Then we uncheck this because we want only people in your targeted locations and click on save and go to next. We're going to name this a Shopper US Case Study. And I'm going to scroll down and click on save, go to next. Now for the ad group name, I'm just going to put like, I don't know, survey. Just put survey here. Don't worry about the keywords. Don't worry about anything else. Just click on save and go to next. Create the ad. Now we've already got an idea of what we want to use. So let's go back into our ads account, Bing Bang Profits. Get the information from that ad. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and create the ad right here. So try this one right here. Shopper survey, earn up to 10. Go ahead and get some more stuff. Now I'm doing this really quickly just to create the first part. Sign up, take a survey. Okay, and then get paid. I'm just gonna leave everything as is. Now for the final URL, I'm gonna head back into my Bing Bang Profits, and I'm gonna use my actual link that I have here that I created. I'm gonna copy this, come back into my ads campaign, and just enter it there for the time being. This is only temporary, okay? Because this is gonna be switching to the final URL. Now, you'll see how this works. Now I'm gonna click on save. We're done with this. I'm going to click on save and go to next. Now in this part right here, usually what I would do is choose manually bid the stuff. I'm going to leave everything as is again, and leave everything as is here. Now the devices, it's up to you if you want to just target desktop or mobile. You can test it out, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Okay, I'm going to go back into my actual Bing. Now that I've created the ad, I'm going to go back into my Bing Bang Profits software. What I'm going to do now is basically go to competition. Okay, and from these other ones that we found here, I'm going to start just pushing these over into my Bing Ads account. I'm going to go ahead and choose the actual ad that I just created on Bing. So I'm just refreshing this. This is communicating with Bing Ads, and it's going to pull the ads that I just created. So it can push ads from this to my ads on Bing. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to the Shopper US case study, and we can see everything here, and then we're just going to go and create. Ads have been placed into this campaign. Now if I go into the campaign right now, into my Bing ads, I'm going to go to ads, and you're going to see that I've got all these ads have been added from my software. Now I'm going to go back to my software. I'm going to go to Bing Suggest. I'm going to explore the keywords that have been used in the ads that I just pulled. I'm going to go ahead and choose these and basically put them in my ads account, in my campaign, and I'm going to choose bids that I can control from here. Add, I'm going to add them as broad. Some of them might have been already in, that's why it's giving me a red thing. I'm also add exact, so it's going to create exact keywords to be added into the account as well. So we're done with that part. And now we're going to go ahead and start tracking everything by going back into our Bing Ads link. I'm going to go click on the edit, and I'm going to go ahead and set tracking URL. I'm going to choose the campaign that I just created, and right now I'm going to be able to set my links onto my ads that I just created. Now let's head back into my ads. Now if I refresh this, you're going to see really clearly that it actually went in and added the final URL, as you can see it right here. So let me go back. You don't even need a VPN to switch countries because this is only for the US. So what it did is it took the final URL of that link and added my tracking template from my Bing Bang Profits software, where now I'm just going to remove that because I don't like that. I'm going to be tracking everything in terms of conversions and everything like that. So right now, this is all set up with my keywords. Okay? With all the keywords that I added from my Bing Bang Profits software, from my ads that I got pushed in, from the competitor that's got ads running and it's similar offers. I just went in and did that. It pulls the final URL for me, and it's tracking everything for all my stuff. So basically, what is it tracking? All the tracking tools that you see, ad ID, ad group, match type, and keywords are all going to be found in this part right here in your columns. Now, in order to take it a little bit further, we're going to go ahead and set up our conversion tracking. So you're just going to head over to the conversion tracking. You're going to create a new goal. This is how simple this is. Where once you create your new goal, it's going to be an offline conversion of the Shopper US. Click on next. No need to do anything else. Just click on that. Okay, and now we got a name for this. So this is the Shopper US. So back into my Bing Bang Profits at my settings, because you're going to do it basically once. You're going to go ahead and add the actual offline conversion goal for the specific offer, and you're ready to go. Okay, so this is how you would go about promoting a Maxbounty offer using our software really easily. Hope you enjoyed this video, and talk to you in the next one.